Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix mail app not working on iPhone. So the very first fix is to check your internet connection, open settings and ensure you are connected to the perfect internet. If your Wi-Fi is not working, switch to cellular, and if your cellular is not working, switch to Wi-Fi. Now the second fix is to update iOS to latest version. Scroll down and tap on general, tap on software update and update your device to the latest version of iOS. The third fix is to disconnect your VPN. So tap on general, scroll down, and from here tap on VPN. And if you're connected to VPN, disconnect to your VPN. The fourth fix is to reset network settings. For this, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, and then tap on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and simply tap on reset network setting. This will reset your network settings. Now the next fix is to set date and time automatically. Set it correct. Tap on settings, go to date and time, and make sure set automatically is turned on. If still the problem persists, the next fix is to remove content and privacy restriction. Go to settings homepage, tap on screen time. From here, tap on content and privacy restriction and disable it. Turn it off, disable it. Now after doing these all things, go to mail app, and if there are any update available for mail app, update it and try it again.